Hi there, this is Ankit back again with another video. So first of all, welcome all of you in my channel KN Technology. So without wasting our time, let us start our today's session. So as you know that in last video I was working on bus ticket functionality of our project. So we will continue that part in this video. So follow me step by step. I am currently on seats available.php file, and follow me from line number 563. So there is two input tag available here with the type text and type number, and name of the input tag will be customer name and customer mobile number, which is enclosed inside type tag, which is in turn enclosed inside a form tag, which in turn enclosed inside a div tag. Present on line number 552. So moving to the next part of this bus booking section. After this div tag, closing of this div tag, we will have input tag with type attribute having the value hidden. Okay, and name will be total seat, and the value attribute having the value PHP को dollar total seat. Okay, which is enclosed inside double inverted comma. Okay, and after that we will have closing tag of input tag, closing operator of input tag. After that we will have button tag, with the type, with the name attribute, add passenger as a value of name attribute, and there will be another attribute class having the value form control. And another one is BTN danger. Okay, and the content of this button, okay, there is spelling mistake in danger, it will create a problem in future. So the content of button tag will be add passenger, button tag will be closed, form tag will be closed, and div tag will be closed. Okay, and after that PHP tag will be closed. After that PHP tag will be open. For writing PHP script, there will be a variable called fetch seat query. Okay, which assigns the SQL query of fetching the seat number of a specific bus ID chosen by the user. So for this, write a query SQL select bus seats dot bus name, seat number. Here bus seats is a table name and seats number is a column name of this bus seats table name. Okay, so we are selecting seat number from bus seats and bus seats dot status, and bus seats dot bus name. Okay, moving to the next line. From buses inner join bus sits on bus sits dot bus name, that is equal to, okay, let me put bus sits on next line. Okay, and this inverted comma within a line, and bus name is equal to buses dot bus name. Okay, and bus id is equal to buses dot id, that is equal to dollar within inverted comma single inverted comma bus id. So this is it for this SQL query, which is assigned inside a fetch seat query PHP variable. And now we will fire this query using MySQLi query method and assign this result into a fetch seat query result PHP variable that I am going to right now. Fetch seat query result, that is equal to MySQLi, as I told you, which accept two parameter. One is con variable or connection variable, and another one is SQL query variable. Now we will have if statement, inside which there will be a condition that fetch if fetch seat query result returns true, then we will have dollar total seats, that is equal to MySQLi num rows, which accept parameters as boolean fetch seat query result. Okay, and inside which we will have while loop with the row variable that assigns the associative array fetched using MySQLi fetch associate method of PHP. Okay, and that accept a parameter as boolean variable fetch seat query result. Okay, and which returns the associative array, which we will assign into a variable called seat status. Okay, and which will return from the row variable with the index status, and second one PHP variable as array. Actually both the, okay, let me first write seat number. Now both the seat number and seat status both are PHP variable that act as an array, or you can say array variable that assigns the value of row into itself having with the index seat number. Okay, actually we don't have initialized this variable as array, so first we need to initialize this seat number that is equal to array and seat status that is equal to array. That's it. Not colon, that will be semicolon. And now after fetching this let me check the opening braces for the closing braces present on line number 534. So for this okay, there will be closing tag and opening tag of PHP in which we will write a stable tag. So there will be div tag with the class attribute booking section. Inside the div tag we will have form tag with the attribute method having the value post, and a span tag within a form tag that accept a class attribute with the value bg primary and p2m2. Now we will have input tag after a span tag with the type attribute checkbox. Sorry for my typing mistake. And name will be seat as an array, and class will be font weight bold bg primary and text light. Okay, and the value for this input tag value for this input tag will be L1 as a value as a seat number. And now there will be closing of span tag. Okay, sorry, there is already I have written the closing of span tag on line number 590, so no need to write again. Now copy this line of code from 586 to 590, sorry 587 to 590 for different seats, and it would be for L2, similarly for L3, similarly for L4, L5, so that's it. I have added all the span tag for different seats as per our requirement. Now after the span tag, inside a form tag we will have another input tag with the type attribute number and name attribute having the value ticket number. Sorry, ticket number, not bus ticket. and placeholder will be ticket number. There will be another input tag with the type attribute hidden, and name attribute value will be total seat, and no need to add placeholder, just add another attribute called value with the value PHP echo $total seat. Now closing of this PHP tag. After that we will have button tag inside the existing form tag with the name attribute having the value book seat, and the content will be as same as the name attribute value, that is book seat. Now this is it for seat number 1, that is if any user try to book just one seat, then we will have this GUI. Okay, I will show you in output. Okay, we will see the output and move to the forward for this booking seat in next video, because time is already up to the mark and we cannot continue this video from now. Thank you, see you in next video.